What's up guys, Earl here with Tech, and a new tech brand has entered the Philippines, and that is Tecno Mobile. So, what is Tecno Mobile?
Well, the Tecno Mobile brand is managed by Transsion Holdings.
It was established in 2006 and had a presence in more than 60 countries including Africa, with an extensive market reach. Among its offerings include feature phones, smartphones, tablets, and accessories. The brand is also the official mobile and tablet partner of Manchester City Football Club. Tecno Mobile has partnered with Shopee for the sale and distribution of the Spark 5 Pro in the country, and luckily, we got our hands on it. So here are 5 reasons to celebrate with Tecno Mobile, and without any further ado, let's see what's inside the box. Lifting up the lid, we have the phone itself. Below that, we have the manuals, frosted jelly case, charging adapter, micro USB cable, earphones, and SIM ejector tool. Now let's check out 5 of its best features. First, it has an attractive design. Now looking at the Spark 5 Pro itself, it has a stunning gradient or ombre color that Tecno Mobile calls seabed blue. It is also available in ice gyrite color, and we think looks cool too. In the hands, it is somewhat lightweight and is comfortable to hold, thanks to its relatively narrow build and curved sides at the back. While the back has a beautiful finish, note that it's not made out of glass, but plastic. But then again, at this low price point, expecting glass is unreasonable, but having 5 cameras, that's interesting. Also at the back, you will find its rear-mounted fingerprint scanner placed on the center. Second, it has a great display. Now flipping things over to the front, we have a 6.6-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 720 by 1600 at 266 ppi. There's no glass protection mentioned, but it has a pre-installed screen protector, which is nice. We have a dot notch at the upper left corner that houses the 8-megapixel camera, and the bezels are thin while the chin is quite thick. On the right, we have the volume buttons and power button. On the left, we have a dual nano SIM card tray with a dedicated micro SD card slot that is expandable up to 512 gigabytes. Situated at the bottom are the primary microphone, micro USB port, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a single downward firing speaker. Third, it is a powerful device that is perfect for your everyday use. Powering the Spark 5 Pro is a MediaTek Helio P22 chipset with a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. And for the battery, it has a massive 5000 mAh capacity, which is perfect for smooth performance in gaming. For software, we have Android 10 skin with iOS 6.0. Now scrolling through the phone for the first time feels smooth, and as you look through the apps, it has Instagram, Messenger, and Facebook pre-installed. But what comes to my attention is that there's this Palm Store app aside from the Google Play Store, and we will talk about it more in our review soon. Fourth, it has 5 cameras that you're looking for. Now for cameras, the Spark 5 Pro boasts its 5-camera setup, a 16-megapixel primary, 2-megapixel macro lens, 2-megapixel depth, and a QVGA lens. They're housed in a protruding camera module so it doesn't lay flat when you place it on a surface. And in front, you'll get an 8-megapixel primary selfie camera. And for now, check out these sample shots we have so far. And lastly, you get this for an affordable price. The Tecno Mobile Spark 5 Pro comes at a very affordable price of 5,999 pesos and will be available at the Tecno Mobile's official Shopee store. We'll put the link in the description box below, so check it out. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. I can't wait for us to take it into full review, and I'm sure you guys can't wait to see it either. So yeah, let us know what do you guys think about the Tecno Mobile Spark 5 Pro in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.